What are you going to pair with this?
Obviously absinthe.
Whoa, you guys are going to want to see this.
Bubbly absinthe?
I bet you it's awesome.
Subscribe!
Yeah.
Welcome to Common Cocktails. Dan, I gotta do this new.
No, Ian.
Dan and Derrick are gonna do for you
Ian's over
the
there.
Hemingway's Death in the Afternoon. This is a simple drink breakdown, 1.5 ounces of absinthe, 4.5 ounces champagne, or whatever.
See, we don't need Ian to make this drink. We can make this.
You can handle
Nope.
this one.
Yeah, we gave him a vacation day today.
He gets a vacation day. He's gonna
Only one, though. Let's not get crazy.
He's gonna sit this out. So this is pulled from a book called So Red the Nose or Breath in the Afternoon by Sterling North, 1935, where Hemingway's quote is saying, you pour 1 jigger of absinthe into a champagne glass, add iced champagne or chilled champagne until it attains the proper, let's go with
right,
the opaqueness,
okay.
milkiness.
All right, so hold on.
Drink 5 of these slowly. Oh, 3 to 5 of them slowly. See what's happening? That's called louching. That's where the absinthe, all the oils in the absinthe are unlocking.
Should we put more in, or what do you think?
Yes.
Yes, more?
Okay, have you had absinthe?
I did.
Okay, so
And it's really strong.
fucking fill it to the brim. Like,
All right.
remember, Hemingway was a raging alcoholic, right? So you don't do everything Hemingway says.
Look at that
That
opaqueness
looks
of
just
milkiness.
that looks just like a proper Death in the Afternoon.
Yes.
If you want it to be more
Thank you,
green,
so.
you need a verde absinthe. This is a white absinthe, blanco or
Yes.
blanche.
Well, you want it to be milky.
Blanche?
That's what he said, right?
Well, they'll both be milky, but one
Oh.
will have more of a green tinge to it.
Wait, before you drink it, put it on that.
Oh yeah. Stick it right here, right there, right. Way not right there, right here.
Right there, it's perfect.
I just know where it is. That's where the focal point is. I am using, for those that are interested, this is Sapphire Gin. I bought this while I was in Germany, and I brought it back. So I don't know if you can get it in the U.S. Probably, because absinthe rules have changed here since 2011. But you can use whatever.
I'm not really excited to drink this, but let's do it.
because you
How
can
did Ian
smell
get
it.
out of this one?
You can smell it right now, right? You're getting
It's a
that.
fucking shitty day for a vacation.
You're getting that black jelly bean
All right, I'm coming. Screw it. I'm going in.
right now.
Yeah, I'm not afraid.
You're coming right now.
It's like mezcal to Ian.
No, he's just trying to wrap his lips around it.
Yeah.
Also, our executive producer's Timothy Frey. That's going to slide up. And then our second executive producer
Dan loves it.
from the last
It's
episode
Fantastic.
is Peter Fastenau. Both of them, patreon.com/CMC. Become a patron because it's just dwindling. I'm not getting any patrons. I am getting some people hitting the join button, which is also fine. So whatever you want to do. This drink is all about the face. It's in the reaction.
It's so good.
You're not convincing.
You know when you drink a drink and it like makes your face move and you can't move it back?
I feel that. I'm getting it's right about here.
Yeah,
Yeah.
like you're like just like
So if you're like, but I really want to see what Ian would think of this drink. If you search for Hemingway's Death in the Afternoon, Common Man Cocktails, we've done 2 of these. This is the second one.
He's gonna come.
oh, there he
And
is.
he's here.
Oh, he just flew in. There he is.
He flew in from
He's a trooper. He's not taking a
Do you like
Cincinnati.
I love absinthe. Yeah.
Oh, you do?
Oh,
then
yeah.
Like,
Oh,
Do
then
you
never
like
mind.
that?
how can
Yeah.
you love it?
That's
It's like me drinking a mezcal drink.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah.
No. Yes, I see what you did there.
You like black licorice.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Sambuca.
So I'll give you the tasting notes, and you just.
I
watch
mean,
his
it tastes
face.
like black licorice with like bubbles.
It's a carbonated black licorice that numbs the center of your tongue right to the tip. Like you're gonna get a little numbing, which I think you also get from jelly beans. But it's got like that wormwood like essence comes out. Now the champagne is bringing the carbonation is taking all of the lovely absinthe flavors and bringing them right through into your system, and you're feeling cleansed and all the toxins leaving your body
As the toxins are coming in.
Solomon wants to know if it
because new ones are coming in.
That's
Would
right.
bitters help that drink?
No, the drink is fine.
Bitters-
No,
Bitters-
removing the absinthe would make the drink better.
Some Christmas bitters?
Christmas bitters, absinthe bitters,
You know, listen.
wormwood bitters.
Listen, I've tried everything with this drink.
Tried sipping, you tried.
I tried sipping it. I gulped it a little bit. I just tried to like not even let it touch my tongue. It just. I've tried everything.
Did you hold your nose?
Oh, I didn't. I didn't
Listen,
do
that won't
so,
help.
so I guess I haven't tried everything.
The drink, I'm gonna set it up. It's an acquired taste. Like,
If you like.
Ian and I have done many absinthe cocktails over the years with the absinthe drip. You were on one of those. You probably didn't like that either. But we have the
I probably look the same way.
right. They all have that same core flavor. If you don't like the core flavor, there's nothing you can do to fix it.
No.
The one thing you can do is not make this drink and make a zombie. You make a zombie, you do
I can handle a
3
rinse.
to 6
Yeah.
drops.
I can handle like an
Of
absinthe
this.
rinse, like when you have.
Remember
it's
when we
kind of
made
like
it
a
with too
background,
many
but that
drops
is
at a
like
time, and it was just like
full on.
Yeah.
I think the good thing about this drink is the champagne really effervesces the.
it brings it up.
And it brings in some of the nuance of the absinthe as well.
Right. So you're getting everything you don't like
Yeah, exactly.
perfectly centered on your
I
face.
know. Like
Your-
that's what I'm
The
telling
whole
you.
grill covered in
It
awesomeness.
paralyzes my face.
All purple. It's just feeling. It feels like it's numbing.
Yes.
It's doing its work. You could feel the medicine coursing through your body.
Yeah, it like just feels like I just drank bubbly black freaking jelly beans.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah. It's perfect.
Or black licorice.
You just took some bubbly NyQuil.
Yeah.
Original flavor.
NyQuil even might be better.
No. If you
Cherry
NyQuil's
flavor,
so good.
original. The
If-
green bottle.
Good stuff.
if you want green bottle NyQuil for this, I would also probably add a touch of the Fernet Branca.
If I knew I'd wake up the next day, I'd chug the bottle.
Oh, Fernet I can drink.
You wouldn't
Really?
See, Fernet I can drink.
You're okay with the?
I'm okay with Fernet.
Having
Just
really trippy dreams.
Yes.
But it
Woo.
tastes good.
hold on.
You're-
I try it again.
All right. It's an
I
acquired
think I'm
taste.
used to it now.
It's like
you know what
Merlot.
throws me off too? Like it even like feels a little like milky.
No, that's just in your
No,
brain.
that's just
Yeah,
in your
I don't know.
There's no milk.
Maybe it's because I burped up a little bit. I don't know.
It's
That's what you
it's
smell.
it's you don't even
Yeah.
you want to know something?
Well,
This I'm going to say the first time I'm ever going to say this.
Oh,
This
fuck.
drink doesn't have champagne flavor. It doesn't taste anything like
There's
champagne.
a lot of absinthe in there. That's the most I've seen put in a drink.
1.5 ounces, and this is
It literally makes your fucking eyes water.
53%.
Wow, you really swear for that one.
Shit.
53%. That's 106
You
proof.
feel
That was
strongly
a
about
hard
that.
F-bomb.
Ugh.
You feel strongly about that.
So
See, because I didn't do like the Ian. Like when Ian drinks mezcal, he goes like this.
Try it.
yeah, Ian doesn't. Ian,
He like looks and smiles. He's like,
he's not committing to it. Like Dan commits. Dan does.
I committed a
commit to
full gulp
Yeah.
to that
Yeah.
a couple times. I tried. I'm trying to like it.
We have a kamikaze on the channel too. That's not going to be like this, but he would like it. He's probably had a kamikaze. It would be better for most people than this. This is very
Oh
acquired.
no, robots. I mean,
This is niche.
it's just you have to like.
Well, it's
Absinthe.
not Robitussin. It's old school NyQuil.
Yeah.
This is a good way to get through absinthe.
Cherry flavor.
Green NyQuil. Before they came
I mean, if you like absinthe, then
This is it.
that's it.
You win. There's that's the tasting note.
I mean, maybe
Absinthe?
because this
Yes.
isn't like ice cold.
Doesn't matter.
It
Doesn't
matter.
make a
Yeah, I don't
difference.
think that's gonna change
I don't
it.
think there's so
Probably
much
not.
absinthe
No,
in that.
you're at 1.5 ounces. Yeah, that's a lot of absinthe. We usually do things in dashes.
Yeah.
Usually.
In
I
little
Bush.
rants. No, this is all in.
Well, sometimes the all-in works well, like with the Trainhead Sour, because normally we do dashes of
Yeah, yeah.
bitters.
No, that's a good drink.
Be on your
But
butt now.
Ango has a really good taste.
Ango has a different flavor than this. So that, my friends, is the death in the afternoon. You should go make one of these things if you got yourself a bottle of absinthe.
If
or,
you have that, you obviously like it, so you
Right.
should make the drink.
You may have a bottle of like Pernod, which is what a lot of people use. If you do tiki drinks, you're going to probably have this because you're going to go through drops of it at a time. It's an acquired
Like you
thing.
really like that stuff. You
Yeah.
got drips and everything. We've been like there. Like I don't know.
I'm
It's
going
a
to put the
lot.
video at the end. This is the end of the video. So on the sidebar, you're going to find a video where we all taste through the absinthe using the absinthe fountain. And Dan's reaction, quite the same.
Yeah, I mean,
Don't forget to
it's all the
subscribe.
same.
Subscribe and you can get more of these awesome videos to your inbox. Hit the bell icon. That's it. We're teaching you how to drink.